Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by eliminating the simple hardware causes. Check power, swap the adapter, and remove all USBs because peripherals can hang boot processes. Once done, force automatic repair by powering on and cutting power at the Windows logo 3 times. This triggers advanced options. Make sure to note any LED or beep patterns as clues. From advanced options, choose Troubleshoot so you can access startup repair, safe mode, or command prompt. These are the tools you need next. You now move into diagnostic repairs. Boot safe mode to load minimal drivers and confirm whether a driver or service prevents startup. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, then dism to restore the component store. These commands fix many integrity issues. If errors began after an update or driver install, uninstall the recent item from recovery because rolling back often restores bootability. Make sure to document error messages for the final recovery steps. You finish by repairing the boot environment directly. In admin, cmd run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, and bootrex/rebuild to rebuild startup data. This often resolves boot loops. If that fails, use reset this PC to keep your files or perform a clean install from USB. Back up your data first using WinRe File Explorer or a recovery drive. If problems persist, check BIOS/UEFI storage mode and secure boot settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.